The Office of the Special Prosecutor has once again declared former Finance Minister Ken Ofori Atta a wanted person effective 2nd June 2025. This decisive action followed his failure to appear in person at the OSP headquarters by the stipulated deadline, violating an earlier agreement that saw his temporary removal from the wanted list. The OSP has initially declared Mr. Ofori Atta a fugitive from justice in February 2025, citing his repeated non-compliance with summons for questioning regarding multiple corruption allegations. These proofs include his involvement in contract with Strategic Mobilization Ghana Limited for revenue assurance, issues surrounding the National Cathedral project, and other financial dealings during his tenure as finance minister from 2017 to 2024. His name was removed from the wanted list on February 18, 2025, after his legal team provided a definite date for his voluntary return and appearance before OSP, specifically June. At the time, Special Prosecutor Kisi Ejaben sternly warned that failure to honor this commitment would result in his immediate reinstatement on the wanted list and the initiation of processes for an Interpol Red Notice aiming to secure his arrest and extradition. As of late Monday, June 2nd, 2025, Mr. Ofori Atta had not presented himself to the
Atta is a wanted person and a fugitive from justice. His name is hereby re-entered on the OSP's list of wanted persons. The OSP will take all necessary legal steps to secure Mr. Ofori Atta's return to the jurisdiction and to answer to the criminal inquiries against him. In pursuance of this, about 30 minutes before this briefing, I triggered processes for the issuance of an Interpol Red Notice for the location and provisional arrest of Mr. Kenneth Nanaya Ofori Atta in whichever jurisdiction pending extradition or his surrender. Around the same time, I dispatched a request for extradition processes to be instituted for the provisional apprehension in any jurisdiction in which Mr. Ofori Atta may be located or found, and his extradition to the Republic of Ghana. The OSP will prefer criminal charges in the courts against Mr. Ofori Atta in due course, whether in absentia or otherwise. The principle upon which we proceed is that no person, regardless of title, regardless of status, regardless of medical condition, is beyond the reach of inquiry by the OSP. Thank you for coming. If you have any questions, I'll prepare to answer them. If you don't have any questions, to yes, sir.
Source close to the former minister's legal team, including Frank Davis, confirmed earlier that he will not be able to appear due to an unexpected deterioration in his health condition. His lawyers reportedly communicated this development to the OSP and the Human Rights Court. They also suggested that he was willing to participate in a visual interview to provide his questioning statement, leveraging provision under Electronic Act. However, the OSP had previously rejected similar medical excuses in February, insisting on his physical presence for an effective investigation. The Special Prosecutor's Office has consistently maintained that legal representation cannot substitute for a suspect's personal attendance in a criminal investigation. The immediate implication of this redeclaration is severe. Mr. Ofori Atta now faces the full force of the OSP's mandate, which includes pursuing his return to Ghana by all lawful means. The threat of an Interpol Red Notice means he could be arrested in any of the Interpol's 196 member countries, significantly curtailing his international movement. This development adds another complex layer to the ongoing legal battle between the OSP and the former finance minister. Mr. Ofori has a pending suit at the Human Rights Court challenging the OSP's initial declaration of him as wanted, arguing its unlawfulness and seeking the removal of related content from the OSP social media platforms. The Human Rights Court has scheduled a ruling on this matter for June 18, 2025, further complicating the legal landscape. The OSP latest move underscores its unwavering commitment to ensuring that no individual, regardless of their past position, is above the law when it comes to investigation into corruption and corruption-related offenses. The National now watches closely to the next steps in the high-profile case. Mark Asante Mizak, reporting for Nkone TV.